English and Spanish share many words that are spelled similarly but have different meanings in each language. Today, we will look at some of the most confusing ones for speakers of both languages. Troop.
Tropa.
Set of soldiers. Embarrassed.
Embarazada.
Pregnant woman. Exit.
Éxito.
Favorable achievement or result. Lecture.
Lectura.
Act of reading or reading material. Constipated.
Constipado.
Cold, flu. To assist.
Asistir.
Going to an event to which the person has been invited or summoned. Actual.
Actual.
Related to the present moment. Success.
Suceso.
An event or occurrence. Carpet.
Carpeta.
Desk utensil used to store papers. Large.
Largo.
Something of great length. To molest.
Molestar.
To cause discomfort or annoyance. To bother. Firm.
Firma.
Personal rubric to give it authenticity or show approval of its contents. Rope.
Ropa.
Clothing. To attend.
Atender.
To take care of something, pay attention, or take charge of something or someone. To pretend.
Pretender.
Wanting to be something or do something.